Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something we often overlook: our nails. Keeping your nails clean and healthy is essential not just for your appearance, but for your overall health. So let's dive into some easy and effective tips to maintain beautiful, healthy nails. First things first, clean your nails regularly. Use a gentle nail brush or an old toothbrush to scrub your nails with soap and water. Make sure to clean underneath the nails to remove any dirt or bacteria. Next, it's important to keep your nails dry. After washing your hands or doing dishes, dry your nails thoroughly. Moisture can lead to bacterial and fungal infections, so always keep a towel handy. Moisturizing isn't just for your skin, it's for your nails too. Apply a hand cream or cuticle oil to keep your nails and cuticles hydrated. This prevents them from becoming dry and brittle. Trim your nails regularly to keep them at a manageable length. Use clean, sharp nail clippers and avoid biting your nails. Trimming your nails reduces the risk of them getting caught on something and breaking. Avoid exposing your nails to harsh chemicals. Wear gloves when cleaning or using detergents. You see, chemicals can weaken your nails, making them more prone to breakage. When it comes to nail polish and removers, choose products that are gentle on your nails. Look for acetone-free nail polish removers and avoid nail polishes with harmful chemicals like formaldehyde and toluene. Your diet plays a crucial role in the health of your nails. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Foods high in biotin, like eggs and nuts, can strengthen your nails. Over-manicuring can damage your nails. Give your nails a break from polish and artificial nails every now and then to let them breathe and recover. Lastly, be gentle with your nails. Avoid using them as tools to open cans or packages. Treat them with care to prevent unnecessary damage. There you have it, folks. Simple and effective tips to keep your nails clean and healthy. Remember, healthy nails are a sign of overall well-being, so take good care of them. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and beauty tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.